If you've been looking for a home that is right next to everything, I have got the perfect place for you. This property is within 10 miles to downtown Austin, the Domain, the Mueller District, and it's right around the corner from major tech companies right off Parmer Ln. Come check it out. Welcome to 3608 Overlord Ln. This home is as good as new, being only 1 year old and lovingly maintained by the owners. What I like about this home is that it sits at the end of a street for more privacy and separation from neighbors. It has beautiful curb appeal with a bright and welcoming front porch and an arched stone entrance. As you enter inside, you'll notice that the home has a great flow to it. There's a spacious hallway with high ceilings and beautiful flooring that leads you into the kitchen and main living area. Now, my favorite part of this home is this kitchen. Just check out the size of this island with these beautiful quartz counters. This kitchen has a clean, modern feel with white cabinetry, lots of storage space, and a gas cooktop. This is the perfect place for casual dining and entertaining your guests. The kitchen opens to a full-size dining area and living room. The living room is brightened by a wall of windows overlooking the backyard, but it still has a warm, inviting feel to it. And the open layout makes it feel so spacious here. Off the living room, you'll find the owner's suite. This room is large enough to include a seating area if you'd like, and it offers peaceful views of the backyard. The main bath has a spa-like feel with an oversized walk-in shower, dual vanities, and spacious closet. I also just love the continuity of the flooring and colors throughout this home that gives it a cohesive feel. 3 guest bedrooms are located towards the front of the home. Each has good-sized closets and high ceilings that make them feel larger. And there's a guest bathroom conveniently located between them. Now let's head outside. What's great about this backyard is that there are no homes directly behind it. There's an extended covered porch across the back, and the yard is a blank canvas ready for you to transform it. What would you put here? A pool, a garden, a playscape? So instead of waiting for a new build, you can enjoy the convenience of a nearly new home that is move-in ready with appliances, blinds, sprinkler system, and everything you need. Now, I'd love to know what your favorite part of this home is. Tell me in the comments below. And if you'd like to see it in person, just ask me for a tour.